Alright guys, we got a 2014 Ford F-150 EcoBoost Lariat. What we got done on it for you guys? Got factory converters up there and there. Then it wires into a single and the phone rings every time. Then we did a resonator delete there. Then we did a muffler replacement with a CARVEN R series, part number right here. As you guys can see, there'll be a link in the description for it. Then we wide it out to do duals out the back on each side, there and there, into 4-inch double wall tips to complete the look. Just looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer, as you guys can see. There's the resonator, muffler, and tailpipe we cut off. Looks so much better now, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. And there'll be a link in the description for everything you guys see. Not bad. Anyways, continue. He knew I was recording. What do you think? You like it? Perfect. ECOBOOST. There's sound decibels on CARVEN. Again. Right at 94. Go ahead and back it up. Oh, it's got a whistle too. The turbo, you hear? Woo, the whistle. Again. Yeah, that sounds good. Not bad. Customer likes it. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ford F-150 EcoBoost CARVEN R duals with resonator delete.